Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error with problems downloading some updates. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Update Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Restart the service. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, click Run the troubleshooter. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type ren space, /lan /windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /lan /windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, bits. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scannow. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /startcomponentcleanup. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restorehealth. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Select Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.